To remove or replace the right side I/O board, first remove the TouchMat and the right rear cover. Grasp the connector handle on the board and pull straight up to detach the connector from the board. Remove the two silver Torx head screws that secure the right side I/O board to the middle frame. Pull the right side I/O board out of the unit. To replace the right side I/O board, place the board back onto its standoffs inside the unit. Secure the right side I/O board with two silver Torx head screws. Replace the connector to the right side I/O board.